Good day. Today I will be performing cleaning a bathroom. So first we need to put our gloves on, and next we need to prepare the equipments, materials, and cleaning agents that we need. First, before we go to the bathroom, we need to check if someone's in there. Housekeeping! 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 I'll go inside. Okay. Now we need to gather all the amenities and put it outside so we can clean this area easier and efficient. We will now going to bring inside all the cleaning agents and materials that we're gonna be using. For the toilet, we will first flush. And we will apply disinfectant for toilet to soak it. After the toilet, next is the sink and the bathtub using a all-purpose cleaner. After applying the chemical, we just let it be so that the dirt and germs will be softened. Next, we will proceed to cleaning the ceiling using a plastic broom. We're going to clean it right here using a single stroke. After the ceiling, we now proceed for cleaning the walls. For cleaning the walls, we will be using two different towels, which is a dry and a wet towel. And for this, we will be using an all-purpose cleaner. Next, we will be using a wet towel. After wet towel, we will clean it dry with a dry towel. For cleaning the toilet, we will be using a red towel, a wet towel, and a dry towel. Spray ko.
Yung loob.
After cleaning the toilet, we will be bringing the materials and cleaning agents outside. And bring the amenities in. Make sure it's organized and placed into its area. And next, we will proceed to cleaning the floor. First, with a wet mop and a mop shine for floor cleaning. For cleaning the floor, we need to start from the farthest to the door. After applying the wet mop, we will now dry clean the floor with a dry mop. After cleaning the floor, we will now disinfect the doorknob using alcohol. After disinfecting the doorknob, we will be using air freshener. And spray it into the bath. After applying air freshener, we will now turn off the lights and close the door. And that's all for cleaning a bathroom.